Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. The cost of Shiba Inus is about to skyrocket. This evening, amazing Shib news. With new coins and tokens frequently entering the market, like Shiba Inu and the introduction of Shibarium, cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more well-liked and accepted. An upcoming Layer 2, L2, blockchain network called Shibarium is designed for Shiba Inus. It will turn the meme coin Shiba Inu into an entire ecosystem. We will discuss the Shiba Inu's price, which is about to double, in this video. This evening, amazing Shib news. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shiba Inu has established itself as a notable meme coin and earned a spot among the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market valuation. The group behind Shib has continued to develop and work on a number of projects at a steady clip. The Shib ecosystem is well known for its illustrious milestones and landmark accomplishments. One of the most recent achievements was when Binance announced on April 18 that Shiba Inu would no longer be allowed in the innovation zone. The largest cryptocurrency exchange recently revealed its decision to relocate Shiba Inu together with other tokens, including Frax Share, Trust Wallet token, and 1 inch out of the innovation zone, according to the specifics of a recent declaration. In an announcement made on April 18, Binance stated that the innovation zone was created to provide users with a secure environment in which to exchange cutting-edge projects. Some of these initiatives may have gained credibility and attained a high level of RD over time. According to Binance, the exchange has chosen to remove Shib and several other tokens from the innovation zone after giving it great consideration. After Binance conducted reviews based on different parameters, Shib reached this milestone. So, in an effort to stress test the network, someone wrote a script for the creation of millions of wallets. The number of hosted wallets on Puppynet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network, is continuing to rise, raising questions about the underlying reason for this abrupt increase. Recent leaks claim that a script was used to create millions of wallets in order to stress test the network. In a recent tweet, a team member of Shib Pixel Pups, a Shiba Inu-based NFT project, revealed that they had written a script that created over 9.5 million wallets on Puppynet and processed over 3 million transactions on the test network. The team member continued by saying that they were also in charge of creating roughly 1620 tokens for the test network. Send Puppy Pixel to DAO SPP. These tokens include the SPPX DAO and Shib Pixel Pup tokens. According to data from PuppyScan, the official block explorer for Puppynet, the network currently has an amazing 13.3 million wallet addresses and over 3.47 million transactions. Remember that over 5 million wallets were just checked, an increase of 86% in just 2 days. This extraordinary surge was caused by this script. The test network's goal is to give interested parties the chance to test the network in various ways to determine its dependability and efficacy before it is launched on the main network. Satoshi Kusama has underlined numerous times that the Shiba Inu is in charge of all actions. The tokens and transactions you see on the testnet are totally fictitious and are just there for testing. It is a commendable attempt to create a script that can create millions of test network wallets because it can help assess the blockchain's scalability and effectiveness. Additionally, it can aid in the detection of any potential flaws or bugs that might emerge throughout the process. For determining the network's dependability, stress testing is essential. As claimed by the script's authors, their goal was to gauge the network's capacity to handle high-traffic circumstances like games and airdrops. To evaluate the network's transaction time, robustness, and other characteristics, they also proposed running an airdrop script and other testing. No bugs have been reported as of yet. The Shib burns have been extremely remarkable this month of March. 6.78 billion Shib tokens were destroyed in 540 transactions in March. Thus, compared to the previous months, both the total number of Shib destroyed and the number of transactions both demonstrated a considerable increase. The amount destroyed in March was the most since 2433 transactions totaling 9.5 billion Shib occurred in October 2022. Over 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 transactions yesterday, according to the Shib burn tracker, with 25.31 million coming from a single wallet. This biggest transaction was made by Coinbase 10, a wallet connected to Coinbase, which sent a massive 25,313,097 Shib to the burn address in one go. In comparison to the previous day's burn rate of 2.93 million Shib, this transaction increased the overall burn rate by 1,108%. The futures market is another source of evidence for the upward trend. Shiba Inu has seen an upsurge in open interest since the start of March. The indicator represents the quantity of active contracts positions that investors have taken. Data from CoinGlass indicates that there are more over 2.4 trillion Shib, or around $26.78 million, worth of open futures. What was only approximately $18 million a month ago. The rise in open interest shows that traders are becoming more interested in Shib. The O was $47.3 million at the time the Shib price reached its yearly high of $0.1591 in early February. At the time of publication, the Shiba Inu cost $0.1083. Shib price is currently trading in an ascending triangle, a continuation pattern, as was discussed on News BTC, with today's plunge to 0.10 at $64. Because Shib made a new, higher bottom, the uptrend is still in place. By the end of April, it may be clear whether the bulls or bears have won out. Shiba Inu has started to draw investors' attention recently, as evidenced by the recent surge in open interest for its futures to 2.4 trillion. $27.51 million in tokens are issued after a gradual upswing that began a month ago. This upward trend shows a resurgence of demand, raising concerns about a price increase. The entire number of futures contracts that are still open but not settled or closed out by an offsetting trade is referred to as the futures open interest. It basically shows how many active contracts are still being held by market players. When open interest for a particular asset rises exponentially, it typically means that a lot of fresh money is entering the market, and that traders are taking positions in anticipation of price changes. Shiba Inu's open interest has climbed by more than 52% from the low of $18.5 million seen on March 13 to the present level of $27.51 million, according to data from CoinGlass, a futures trading intelligence platform. 2.4 trillion tokens. Shib's open interest and its price movement as the AS have a link, as shown by the chart. When its OI rises, its price frequently experiences an increase. OI rose to $3.2 trillion. On February 5th, tokens were worth $47.3 million. Shib's price rose along with it, reaching its peak value of $0.1527 that day. This season, Shib's OI began to fall after February 5th, and the asset's price also started to fluctuate. Open interest is once more experiencing a rise in value after falling to a low on March 13th. Investors anticipate that the asset's price will increase accordingly. Shib is now again in demand, as evidenced by the volume of trades on Binance. In the past 4 days, Shiba Inu's volume on Binance has slowly increased daily since falling to 1.58 trillion Shib on April 8th. The total volume for today is 2.44 trillion. Shib is trying to break out of the ascending triangle it is now trapped in during the lengthy consolidation phase, despite its current underperformance. The asset's price is currently $0.0011, down 0.97% over the last 24 hours but up 0.8% over the previous hour. Shib might go for the $15 highs reached in February if the triangle is broken above. Recent trends indicate that the asset has gained popularity with market players, and an increase in demand could help it achieve its objectives. According to CoinMarketCap's Q1 2023 report, Shib was one of the top 3 assets across all continents in terms of views. The Shiba Inu community has also lately hinted at 2 other notable collaborations, including one with renowned singer Scott Page and an NFT relationship with well-known American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, who would allow Shiba on his official store. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.